So that you will have a mastery of lesson number 2, I suggest you practice your pattern making exercises with the medium figure size. First, I will give you some tips on how you can master the pattern making or pattern drafting procedure in a short time. Actually, there are 5 tips, and on the third tip, there are 3 sets of pattern making steps or pattern drafting exercises for you to learn how to make or draft the pattern of the basic dress easily, to the point that eventually you will not have to look at your notes for directions on pattern making or pattern drafting. Believe me on this statement. First tip, practice drafting the medium figure size of the basic dress pattern. Later on, you will realize why. So if you want to practice lesson number 2, which I am reminding you is the basic dress pattern, click to the medium figure size and follow the pattern making procedure of this size. Second tip, do each set of pattern making steps or exercises of the medium size 5 times. Third tip, prepare 5 pieces of pattern paper this way. Practice your pattern making steps or exercises on a sequential manner, the way we will be doing it now. Now we will start on the first set of pattern making steps or exercises. We start with the neckline. First, we will square to mark our guideline. We will lay the tip of the tape measure on the center of our pattern paper on the guideline, and we will go out 2.5 inches or 6.4 centimeters, which we can round off to 6.5 centimeters. Just make sure that you use the same measurement when you do the back bodice pattern. Then we will square this downwards. Then, from the guideline, we will go down 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters, which we can round off to 7.5 centimeters. We square this outwards. Now, we will go down 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We will also go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters, and from this corner, we will go up 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. With these points, we can actually shape our neckline curve. It's too square, you can actually round this off more. So we will do or draft the pattern of the neckline a second time. Again, from the center, we will go in 2.5 inches or 6.5 centimeters. Then we will square this downwards. Then, from the guideline, we will go down 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters. We will square this outwards. Now we will go down 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. And from the center, we will go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. From this corner, we will go up 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Now we will shape the neckline curve. Okay, we will do this again for the third time. We will go out 2.5 inches or 6.5 centimeters, and we will square this downwards. Then we will go down 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters, and we will square this outwards. Now we will go down 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. we will also go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. And from this corner, we will go up 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters on a diagonal manner. And we will shape our neckline curve. Okay, I will do this for the 4th time. I will do this silently. Now for the 5th time, I will be drafting the neckline curve silently. Now you can see that we have done the neckline curve 5 times. For the second set of pattern making steps or exercises, we will first draft our neckline, and this time we will add the pattern making steps for the shoulder line and the neckline adjustment. If you remember, the first step is to square our guideline. Then we will start drafting the neckline curve. So now we have drafted the neckline curve. Next, we will get 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. We fold the tape measure once to get 1/2 of the shoulder measurement, and we lay the tip of the tape measure on the center front on the guideline and mark 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. Then, with the colored pencil, we will square this downwards to 10 inches or 25 centimeters. Now we will get the shoulder slope. From the guideline, we will go down 1 3/4 inches or 4.5 centimeters. Then we will connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now that we have the shoulder line, we can actually work on the adjustment of our neckline. From this point, we will go out 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. And from this point, we will go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. And again, from this point, we will go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. Now we will connect all these points to get the neckline curve. Now we will cross this out. This now is our new neckline curve, and this is our shoulder line. So we will again do this 5 times. And I will just draft this silently. This is the shoulder slope. Now we make the neckline adjustment. As this is now the new neckline, we will cross this out. Okay, we will drop this the third time. The neckline curve and the shoulder line. Okay, for the neckline adjustment, for the fourth time, we will be drafting the neckline and the shoulder line and the neckline adjustment. Now we will get the shoulder slope. Now that we have the shoulder line, we can do our neckline adjustment. Cross out the former neckline. Okay, for the fifth time, we will be drafting the neckline, the shoulder line, and also the neckline adjustment. Now we will be getting the shoulder slope. Now we will adjust the neckline for a medium figure. Cross out the former neckline curve. We have done 3 steps 5 times on a sequential manner.